Hello Internet, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we are going to take a look at the Beecaster from Neat Microphones. If you're not aware of Neat, definitely do check them out. We interviewed Skipper Wise, the founder of the company, at CES the year that they came out, and we've got some really interesting information about these. We'll link that in the description below, but for now, let's find out what comes with the Beecaster, which is a microphone designed kind of specifically for podcasters and like Twitch streamers who need control over their stream and their audio quality. So let's take a look at what is in this box. Like all of the Neat mics, which you'll see unboxings for all of them on our channel, you'll see that the box has a honeycomb pattern on the outside acrylic, and on the inside there are similarities, I would imagine. So when we take a look, there's the Neat microphone logo. We'll pop open the lid, and just like the King Bee, which we're using to record the audio for this right now, we have our product manual, which is also honeycomb shaped, and our registration card. We'll remove the first layer of packaging, and again, like the King Bee, all of the Neat microphone products have an individualized character that comes with them. And here we have the Beecaster's character. So every box has one of those in it. Here we have, now we'll start getting into our more specific stuff. Here we have a USB A to USB B cable, which will obviously be used for plugging the microphone directly into a computer. We'll pop the next layer of foam off of this. And inside we have, he's a little heavy, so inside we have the Beecaster microphone itself, which is a very sturdy microphone. And you'll see, looking here, you'll see it is a very well-designed microphone. I've always liked this design since we did our interview several years ago. It's got this multi-position arm. It bends here, it bends here, it bends here, so you can put it up at whatever height you want. Obviously it comes with a pop shield on top. Down here on the microphone itself, on the base, we have got a mute button right here, which allows you, that's your cough button, right? So if you're doing a show, you're streaming, you want quick access to be able to mute the microphone so you can cough or have a conversation with somebody in the room with you. Here we have a headphone volume, because not only is this a microphone, it's also a headphone amplifier, or a headphone interface, so you can plug your headphones directly into this and get a direct monitor off the microphone, which is something that I love. Here we have our mic gain, which is your volume control. And over here we have a state dial, which allows you to choose between 4 different states, which are mono, stereo, wide stereo, and focused stereo. The idea of the stereo is actually pretty cool. When you look at the microphone, it actually has 2 pickups on it, so you actually can record in proper stereo audio, which is cool. And the mono, I would assume, takes both channels and both microphones and merges it into just a single stream, so there's no left-right diversity, but that doesn't mean that you don't hear it out of both left and right, just that it's left-right diverse. So yeah, so this is the Neat microphone. On the back we have our USB port, and then on the front there is a headphone jack as well, so that you can use your favorite headphones. Obviously we have not gotten to test this. The only one that we've done any tests on is the King Bee, which is what I'm talking into right now. But we will be doing unboxings on the rest of these. So definitely subscribe for future content, either on YouTube or Facebook or our website, PLUGHITZlive.com/subscribe, where you can see all the different ways that you can subscribe to this and all of our other shows. And we will also be publishing reviews on all of these products at PLUGHITZlive.com under reviews. And I guess until next time, ciao.